Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. So one of the main purposes of this channel is to help you as automotive technicians grow and be as strong as you can possibly be. So this video I'm making about ego. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so ego is what this topic is about, and we all got them, we all get them, especially as we grow in our career and get more advanced and become kind of the shop foremans and stuff like that and the leader roles. You kind of get this ego. So I wanted to talk to you about ego and how ego can be a very big disruptor in the shop, you know, and actually can bring morale down. It can cause fighting between other employees. It can cause smack talking behind your back. All these type of things can happen with a person that gets too big of an ego and thinks his stuff doesn't stink. You know, if your ego is so high where you feel like, oh, I fixed that car, I don't need to recheck my work, it's good to go, and it goes around the corner and something happens, you know, that's an ego problem. You know, if you can keep your ego in check and work together with all the members in your team, the shop will be that much more efficient. You guys as a team, as a shop, will make a lot more money. Everybody will rise up and everybody will give you the respect you really deserve because you're a team leader and not an ego-driven person. Knowing about your ego and keeping it in check to a certain level, a little ego is a good thing, but once it gets too big, it actually affects how the whole operation of your whole shop works. You know, what I would hope to advise you on is to take a look at yourself and take a look at your ego, and the reason why is if you keep it in check, you'll be a better employee for the entire shop. The entire shop will perform better as a team. So one of the goals at working at a shop is working as a team, not an individual. So if you can keep your ego in check, you can be a much more efficient employee. You can look at the big picture and kind of pick and choose the jobs where the overall picture help the shop overall flow better. And if the whole shop flows better, that means that there's more money coming in. That means there's more money for equipment. There's more money for possible training classes. There's more money for a bonus. So by you having an ego and kind of being a solo guy, you kind of slow the whole team down, and the whole shop may not run as efficient as it should. And overall, in the long run, that's going to affect your pay. That's going to affect your ability to upgrade the shop. All kinds of things can happen, and kind of like a snowball effect. So if you can keep your ego in check and work as a complete team member and help out in every way you can, the whole shop as a whole will grow up and rise, and so will you. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I hope you find these videos helpful. I'll encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.